Hi, I'm Mike from RIDGID. Going to run through now a range of core drilling rigs. Firstly, HC-2W is a hand unit, can be mounted, and this is an 1800 watt unit, maximum capacity 132mm. Alongside here we've got the RB-3W. This is now a 1900 watt motor capable of doing 162mm. Moving through to the dedicated rigs, here we've got the RB-208, 2500 watt motor, maximum capacity 200mm. And lastly, top of the shop, RB-214, 3000 watt motor, maximum capacity 350mm. To complement the range, there's a full selection of bits, water collector rings here, vacuum pumps and water tanks.